Sorry.
Eddie at 3. All throw for Eddie. Oh, Eddie. The 360 spin to Rudy. All right, we got Mario to the point. All right, Anthony and Eddie.
Don't pull this, Mario. Good job. Don't pull your lead. Good job.
All right, 1 minute down, 5 to go. We got Mario to the point. All right, Anthony and Eddie. Eddie needs 10 seconds to catch Anthony for the 2-5. Anthony needs 6 seconds to catch Mario for the lead. Oh. Ooh, Eddie broke.
Eddie broke his car. Go, Eddie, go, Eddie, go.
What you doing?
Oh. Oh, the battle. Oh no, there's no battle. Anthony to the point right now. Mario, you need 5 seconds to catch Anthony for the lead.
Let's go, Anthony.
Oh, come on!
Yeah, right? 4 minutes left, guys. Anthony got a 3-second lead on Mario. Mario's on high pursuit. All Anthony has is early. Oh, coach said he's behind the cable truck. Watch out, boys. Oh, Mario takes the inside to the point. Come on, Anthony. Don't give up. Take him out like he did before. Get him, Anthony. Oh! Oh! All right, see what's the gap? Gap is 1.5. Mario and Anthony. Eddie just running left right here. The Steve/Richmond/Gruden call. All right. Mario got a 5-second lead now. Anthony's holding the turbo pop out. All right, 2 minutes and 30 seconds left. No good battle right now. 2 minutes left.
People be very disappointed in you. You got one eye inside there.
1 minute and 45 seconds left. No close battles right now. All right, Mario still to the point. What about Anthony and Eddie? Eddie needs 41 seconds to catch Anthony. Anthony needs 13 seconds to catch Mario. Oh, I said you own the car now. Steve don't want that car back. It's over. Welcome to X-ray. Google will sell you his car after a week later of driving the fresh X-ray. He'll buy another one for the right price. 30 seconds left. Her ever bring his daily truck next to
Oh, my battery died.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Fire. You got to cross the line. You got to go.
Probably. I got a fan on it, yeah. I just gotta. I think my opinion's a little too high.
Mario done with the win. And Anthony's gonna finish in 2. That's the race, boys. Thank you guys for coming on over Tuesday night.
Yeah.